this isn't easy. So I'd blown like one account in the morning, but then afterwards I took this account to almost 1k. This is $400 profit, 1k profit. Okay, so basically the reason I bought US30 here, if you go to the H4, oh, you want the H4, the daily time frame. Okay, daily time frame was playing around, and we could potentially have broken this previous day's high. So I just entered my buys at that area. Okay, I was expecting price to actually now start buying aggressively, and yeah, that's where we are. Let me first close out some positions, but US30 has really done the job because I was not expecting this much momentum in the market. But anyways, we got this momentum, and currently we are at a point where price could potentially reverse. If you observe from this market point, we had a drop, a rally based drop. Okay, so price could potentially find rejection at that area. But the first thing that you can do, for instance, I'll close just 2 more positions. This position also, stop loss, I'm gonna place it at break even at around 45122. So it'll be 45122. That's a stop loss, sir. Okay, so that's my stop loss, 45122, because I'm expecting that price could potentially reach around that area there up where I put my shadow zone. That is the first area of supply which is hidden, so price could potentially reach that area. So I'll put a TP at 45225. Okay, so we don't know. We just wait and see what price does, whether hit stop loss or we continue higher. Okay, and yeah, that's how it is. I think we're about to hit stop loss. Then afterwards you may see market price moving up, pushing upwards. Okay, so yeah, price is just playing around, but what I'm expecting is another push upward. But if this candle ends in a bearish momentum, you may see price continuing lower. So this candle actually means a lot for our pair. This candle right here means a lot, because if it ends up being bullish, you may have a potential for the market to continue higher. Okay, stop loss has been hit. We are now at 1.6k. Okay, if you observe, today I made 758 bucks. So if you observe very clearly, this was the amount which I made today. So, and for this account I've been trading usually US30. For gold I lost $216 in the morning, but for US30 we have made 975. Okay, so that's it for US30, and we shall see what currently price gives us. But currently I'm expecting another push upward. Okay, I'm expecting some other push upward to clear some liquidity above. So be ready for that setup, because my entry model is that price should not leave a strong wick. If price leaves such a wick, they're likely that price could potentially push upward to clear the liquidity above. So here is where I could potentially enter at this resistance. If you go to the M15, that resistance is much more clearer. Also we have the demand zone here, so if price is able to come and trace that demand zone, you could find some push upward. Okay, just as I've told you, you see what price has done. Price has bought aggressively. Okay, price has bought aggressively, bro. Price has bought aggressively. So it's not a matter of holding your trades, but it's a matter of just being persistent while you hold your trades. This trade here caught me totally off guard, but I think I'll get more entries next time. Okay, see, had another news. I think this is news again. But look at what the news did. Another big push upward. Okay, another very huge push upward. But I'll leave it at that. We are in profit, so shall see it.